Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also have a craze of hair fashion and you are very conscious about your good hairstyle, then this platform is basically for you. In this platform, you can get latest trendy haircuts, trendy ideas of hairstyles and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women's and men's both. As well as also you can also get girls hair accessories ideas and hair growth remedies. So keep staying in touch with us and don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates for you. So my dear lovely viewers, please subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos. If you like my today content, then please thumbs up for this video and share it with your friends and family members. Keep watching my videos. I hope in their 3 or 4 minutes you will get a number of latest hairstyle ideas, haircut ideas from my channel, and I hope my channel is very helpful for you. So let's come to the main point. In this video I'm sharing with you a beautiful bob haircut which is more trendy in 2022 and it's become more popular in 2023 also, and this is one of the best hairstyle in front of you guys, and I am sharing with you several pictures here with different ideas of bob haircut. And you know about that bob haircut is very trendy and everyone is familiar with these beautiful and attractive haircut. So you know about that bob haircut is up to collarbone. So this is basically a short haircut for the people who never love long hairs, and this haircut is specially for summer season, but now it's also become trendy in the winter season. So there is a number of latest ideas in front of you. I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family members and friends. And please thumbs up for this video and please support me. I work so hard for you guys with honesty. So keep watching my videos, and if you already subscribe my channel and you know that I am starting the series of bob haircut and I talk about different bob haircut categories, and if you want to know more categories of bob haircut, so just visit my channel and watch the previous videos which are just waiting for you. And you know that bob haircut has many categories. A number of categories are here in the bob haircut is very trendy 2023, and most of the celebrities were inspired with this beautiful haircut, and I am very inspired with this beautiful haircut because it's very short and it's easy to carry, because this haircut is enhance your personality level and make sure that you are enjoying my today content and you are getting rare benefit from my videos. The girls who have a oval face shape, curve face shape and a long face shape, this haircut is basically for those girls, and this haircut is those girls who are going to college going girls, university going girls and the office working girls. So this hairstyle is one of the best hairstyle for you guys. If you love this haircut, you can just take the idea from my video and you can also wear this hairstyle because it's easy to. And you know that bob haircut is become very popular in the 2022 and the upcoming in the 2023. It's also become very popular, and most of the peoples were inspired with this beautiful haircut. And so if you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates. So guys, I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family members and friends. Please take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So my dear lovely viewers, please take care of yourself and don't forget to like and share my videos. Take care. Bye bye.